make some slow cooker spicy pork chili this morning. It's got to cook for 6 hours in the crock pot. Primarily using leftover garden stuff, some leftover corn, tomatoes and peppers are from the garden. The pork is from the Carl, and if you know the Carl, you would understand that. So we're gonna start mixing this stuff together and go from there. Pork. What's up, Ben? You want a piece of corn? Hmm? Sure. These are tomatoes from the garden. That I de-skinned. Alright, it's mixing time. First ingredient is 2 pounds of boneless pork cut into cubes, and we're actually using some bone-in pork loin that we got from the Carl.
The Carl. Oh, what a minute. Oh, wow, man.
That we browned. So I have some in here already. I'm just dumping the rest of this in. You're supposed to cook that with canola oil. Also, next ingredient is 1 28 ounce can of crushed tomatoes. These are our garden tomatoes. That looks like 28 ounces. Next ingredient is 2 cups of frozen corn, which this is fresh corn that we cooked that I had in the fridge. I just dehusked it, so that's going in like that. Next ingredient is 1 cup of chopped onion. Yikes.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I'm not a big onion fan.
2 cups of beef broth, and we're going to substitute that with better than bouillon. And I'm supposed to put 2 tablespoons of this in water.
Yep.
So that's what I'm doing.
Pour it in. It's going to melt.
So there's 1 tablespoon. There's another one. And here's 2 cups of water, which is the leftover of the tomato juice. That was water from the tomatoes. Yikes. Next item is 1 can of chopped green chilies, which I'm substituting with my hot Hungarian wax peppers. That looks like 4 ounces. Alright, next ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Well, not very much salt. One-half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Put a little extra in there. 1/2 teaspoon of regular pepper. One teaspoon of minced garlic. That's not very much garlic either. Put a little extra in there. And I think that's it. Scott! So here we go with our slow cooker spicy pork chili that we're going to put the beans in at the end. All right. So I just got cued by my assistant that I'm supposed to put in some Campbell's tomato sauce because that's how we roll.
Tomato juice.
Tomato juice. So I'm gonna put that in. That's gonna be a disaster video here. Tell me when. You can talk.
I'm good. When? I don't know.
We'll add as needed. All right, put this bad boy on high.
Yep.
Let it start doing its magic. All right, I missed one critical ingredient, which was the chili powder, which takes 1 tablespoon. It's been simmering for about an hour. So I'll look on the inside here. And then I got some chili powder. Kind of important, right? Since we're making chili. Chili powder's in. Just gonna let that work its way down. I'm not gonna over stir it. It's about 4 or 5 hours. It's 5 o'clock. Jen said we may need to leave the lid off to let it thicken up a little bit more. It smells good. Does need to thicken up. We still have all those to put in. Okay, we have an hour left. And I'm gonna put some beans in and leave the lid off to boil some of this water out. I'm only gonna put 2 cans in. Kidney beans and Great Northern. They were strained already. And just in time to go back outside. All right. I'm gonna get a little bit of this moisture out, so I'm gonna leave the lid cracked. Bang it up a little bit to maybe high.
6 hours later.
You ready to check this chili out, Finn? All right, 6.5 hours later. This is it. It's time for taste test. I think somebody's already been sampling. Hold this. What do you think? I think he's ready. We'll let this go hot. There we go. All right, all right, all right.
All right, let's rock and roll.
Temperature's still a little hot. Pork is tender. That's good. A little spice. Give Finn a bean here, but they're a little hot. See if he approves. You want to try a bean? Easy. Is it good? Is it good? Ben, is it good? All right. That's the jump of approval.